Okay, so here's how I'm doing this little LinkedIn outreach with a guide method. I'm just going to run through this mind map that I created for you all. So let me see. Okay, so LinkedIn. Why LinkedIn, first of all? LinkedIn is the quickest way to grow social media with just words. There's 1 billion people on LinkedIn and 10% are posting. Okay, so LinkedIn, low effort. You can easily make quality long form posts, and I need to put those in this guide, but you can easily make quality long form posts with good copywriting, right? Copywriting, because copywriting isn't that hard. It's just about keeping it simple, having a clear call to action. So then I am stealing from this guide right here, which I'll show you a little preview. This is a Notion site, so see how it uses these random words. That's just the way that they generate unique URLs for everyone's site. They come up with 2 random words. I don't know why. See, mine has 2 random words. But yeah, this is Notion, and the guide is going to look something like this. It's going to be really, really long, but here's the point of why. Because all of your daily posts from LinkedIn are going to feed into this guide. So it increases the success surface area, your luck surface area, so you can potentially get more and more every single day. But here's the really good part. This guide is going to be so valuable for people with very simple to follow things that they want to copy, they want to replicate, and they're going to end up sharing it with people. So that's really, really important, because at the end of this guide, you're going to have a call to action to go to your school group, your free school group or your paid school group. It doesn't really matter if it's free or paid. It doesn't matter how much it costs. It could be $999 a month. But this is a very lightweight and easy and shareable way to kind of create a flywheel for your content to grow your school group and thus your income. And then, so for the YouTube, in my YouTube videos, I'll have this in the description, and it's going to link to a System.io opt-in page, and then that System.io opt-in page is going to send them the link to the guide through an automation. The way he does it, though, is he has his video in each of these guides. He puts the video, I think, in each one. Maybe this is the first one he's done it for, I don't know, but it's very, very smart, because here's the thing. When someone shares this guide to their friends, the first thing they see down here is the video, and then they go and watch the video, which runs up the view count. So when the view count goes up, it's just a feedback loop. So the views get more downloads, the downloads get more views. See what I'm saying? So that's what I'm implementing, and I hope I explained it kind of clearly enough, because I'm very excited about this. And this works for every single one of your businesses in my group. It literally, even if you don't have a business, people want to trust good advice. So just creating this simple guide with good advice will literally do wonders. They don't care who's giving the advice, essentially. They want the solution. So if you give people the solution, they will be thankful and you'll see growth. So that's it.